power, smaller cuts, slower speed. Imagine upgrading your laser engraver to cut through 20mm balsa wood or 15mm plywood in a single pass. That's not just wishful thinking anymore. Today, we're diving into the S30 Ultra 33W Upgrade Kit by SCULPFUN. What it does, how it's built, how to install it, and most importantly, how it transforms your laser work. 33W Upgrade Kit by SCULPFUN. What it does, how it's built, how to install it, and most importantly, how it transforms your laser work. If you're a maker, crafter, or small business wanting serious power, stay tuned. This one's for you. The SCULPFUN S30 Ultra 33W Upgrade Kit is a complete bundle that elevates your existing 2-axis laser machine, S9, S6, S30, S30 Ultra, to the S30 Ultra 33W standard. It includes the new laser module, 32-bit air assist motherboard, high-speed air pump, XY limit switches, protective lens, eye shield, and all required hardware and cables. Compatibility is a key design goal. The kit is built to be installable on existing SCULPFUN S9, S6, S30 machines, frames without having to replace the entire structure. Technical features and upgrades. Here are the core upgrades and why they matter. Enhanced laser power and optics. Diode laser output power. 33W optical via enhanced 6W diode tech. gshopper.com. Focus size. 0.08 x 0.10 mm spot. Very fine, allowing crisp detail. Wavelength approximately 455 plus or minus 5 nanometers. 32-bit air assist motherboard. Replaces older 8-bit boards. Provides much better computing power for stable, smoother cuts. Supports automatic air assist control, e.g. via Lightburn's M8, air assist switching. Bluetooth, BT, wireless connection possible so you're not chained by USB cable length. High-speed air assist pump 24 volts pump, approximately 30 L per minute flow. High-pressure nozzle. Hose diameter approximately 7.5 millimeters. Airflow of approximately 13.5 meters per second with high-pressure nozzle improves cut penetration, keeps surfaces clean, reduces burn, smoke. Cuts on plywood, MDF panels become much faster and cleaner. Limit switches, XY axis, these give you homing, zeroing, positioning capabilities. Very useful if you're doing batch work or need repeatable cuts. Replaceable protective lens. Lens can be replaced when worn or if damaged. This significantly extends lifetime and maintains cutting power. A spare is included. Eye shield, laser safety cover. Detachable glass eye shield to reduce glare, protect eyes. Adjustable height or removable. Frame and shell, physical upgrades. Shell material, 6063 aluminum. Durable, good heat dissipation. Focusing method. Fixed focus column 40mm plus sliding device. Capability, performance. What this upgrade really lets you do. Measurable improvements. Cut 20mm balsa wood and 15mm plywood in a single pass. Compared to older S9's ability of approximately 3mm in one go. That's a huge leap. Cleaner cutting surfaces, less need for multiple passes, less burning. The air assist plays a large role here. Faster overall throughput. With stronger laser plus stronger board plus better cooling, optics. You can push faster feed rates, bigger jobs, less waiting. Material compatibility is very broad. Woods, even high-density woods like walnut, cherry, MDF, black acrylic, cardboard, bamboo, leather, some plastics, fiberglass board. For engraving, wood, plastics, leather, fiberglass, aluminum oxide, stainless steel, non-mirror, dark stone, ceramics. Installation and usage. What's in the box? Items included: 33W laser head, with mounting plate, metal laser cover, 24 volts DC air pump, air tube, 2 limit switches, 32-bit motherboard plus protective shell plus Bluetooth antenna, terminal cable, power adapter, 24V7A, X motor extension cable. If you have linear guide upgrade, repair kit, screws, material bag, instructions. Installation is fairly straightforward if you have the original SCULPFUN S9, S6 frame. May need adapter wires in some cases, especially if linear guide rails affect motor orientation. Once installed, software side, works with Lightburn, with air assist control via M8, laser GRBL, etc. File formats: NC, BMP, JPG, PNG, DXF, etc. Data transmit via USB or Bluetooth. Power input 100 to 240 VAC, output 24 volts 7A. Drawbacks: what to be aware of. With more power and larger spot diode count, sometimes very fine details may suffer compared to lower wattage lasers. Kerf becomes larger, heat spreads more. You may need to adjust focus, speed, or do test cuts. The replacement lens is required when optic becomes damaged, so maintenance needed. Cooling, ventilation, and safety become more crucial. Eye protection, correct shields, protecting from reflections. Power draw higher. Ensure your power supply and wiring are adequate. Real-world demo clips. Show the kit installed on S9 or S6. Show cutting thick plywood, balsa in one pass. Show engraving on metal, non-specular stainless steel, aluminum oxide. Show the difference in cut-edge cleanness with air assist versus without. Show the homing, limit switch feature, batch alignment, repeat jobs. Show replacement of lens, swapping and spare. Wrap up, summary. Who this is for. If you own a SCULPFUN S9, S6, or standard S30 and want much greater power without buying a completely new machine, this upgrade kit delivers excellent value. For makers making custom signs, jewelry, tool marking, furniture detail, or batch production, this gives you what you need: clean, powerful cutting, large area, safety, and flexibility. For hobbyists who want to push into more serious fabrication, this brings you much closer to industrial tools. Call to action, safety reminders. Encourage viewers to check compatibility, frame type, motor orientation, whether they have linear guides, whether kit includes necessary cables. Remind about safety. Wear proper glasses, use eye shields, ensure good ventilation, use limit switch and emergency stop. Suggest doing test cuts, calibration before important jobs. The SCULPFUN S30 Ultra 33W upgrade kit isn't just a tweak, it's a transformation. If speed, power, and clean cutting matter to you, this is the upgrade to take. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of deep dive upgrade content, hit subscribe, like, leave a comment with your upgrade plans, and I'll catch you in the next one.